Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file property tax. First, you'll need to understand your property's assessed value, which is crucial for calculating your tax. Next, locate your local tax assessor's office, as they are your primary resource for forms and information. Finally, gather all necessary property documents, such as deeds and previous tax statements, to ensure a smooth filing process. Once you have your assessment, review your property assessment notice carefully for any discrepancies. It's vital to note the specific filing deadlines for your area to avoid late penalties. Also, take time to determine if you qualify for any exemptions, such as homestead or senior citizen benefits, which can significantly reduce your tax burden. These steps can save you money. Now it's time to fill out all required property tax forms accurately, ensuring every section is completed. Remember to attach any supporting documentation needed, like proof of exemptions or recent appraisals. Finally, submit your completed forms by the deadline, whether online, by mail, or in person, to ensure your filing is processed correctly and on time. After filing, pay your property taxes on time to avoid any penalties or interest charges. If you believe your assessment is incorrect, learn how to appeal it. There are specific procedures and deadlines for this process. Remember, staying informed and proactive is key to managing your property taxes effectively. Also, for other great deals and to stay hydrated, check out the link in the description for the Owala water bottle and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.